welcome to another beauty video. In this video I'm going to be making another Jamaican style dish, which is going to be brown stew salmon steak. It's going to be very delicious and you're going to love it. This is a salmon steak. I've already washed it with some lime juice. Now I'm going to season it a little bit. I'm going to have my fish fry season. Pour it on it. Black pepper. And get that flavor. And salt. I'm gonna flip the other side because I want to get both sides seasoned. I'm doing the same thing with the black pepper. Salt. Into my fried fish seasoning. Okay, and now we're going to fry these. And pour my oil in. I'm gonna pour my avocado oil. On the stove, I have my heated avocado oil. So now I'm going to fry my steaks, my salmon steaks. So I'm looking for to fry so I can get some color on the bottom. Fry. Make sure you don't stick to the bottom. Fine. I love salmon. Nice flavor, especially when you cook it right. It's so juicy. And I'm gonna check to see if the salmon is cooked. See that nice color? Gotta get some color on the salmon. Be careful when you flip it. You don't want to be splashing. Yeah. That's good. So now let the other side get a little color. And then we can add the next ingredient. So just gonna keep on turning it a little. Now we're gonna check the other side again. bit of color on it. Okay? 3 times. And I want to fry to see our salmon is nice and brown. So I'm going to remove it. I'm going to remove it from the oil. But be careful because it will splash, the oil will splash on you. Move it out the oil. And then, after I remove the fish from the oil, I'm going to use the same oil to make my sauce. So now the oil is already hot, so I'm going to add all my spices. So I'm going to add the sweet onion, green onion, bell pepper, tomato, carrot, and also gonna do some potatoes. I'm going to stir all this in. You can just smell that. Smell the spices combined together. You can just eat it just how it is. So good. Okay. I'm going to add some water. And then I'm going to add my dry spices, which is going to be my Mrs. Dash seasoning. Mrs. Dash. I'm going to add some more of my fish seasoning. Again, like this. Also going to add some paprika. Some black pepper. Because we need this fish to have a whole bunch of flavor, okay? And my adobe for salt. I'm not going to add regular salt in because this is a little salty. I'm going to mix all that together. Then we're going to add butter and some ketchup, okay? some ketchup. And some butter. So we're gonna let this saute a little bit. First, I'm gonna taste it to make sure my sauce is not missing anything. I'm gonna get a little taste. I can taste the spice, the black pepper in it, all that extra spice that I put. So I'm gonna have that saute for a little bit. Okay, so let's check and see how our spices. Okay. And I see how that sauce is going. I'm also gonna add a little bit of garlic powder in here. Look at that. Alright, so I'm gonna add my garlic powder. We add in our garlic powder, get pepper, garlicky. I'm gonna put back my salmon steak back in the pot so everything will saute together. So I'm gonna go back and use my spatula because I don't want it to break or fall apart. So I'm gonna add that in. Move some of the stuff from the bottom, put it to the top. Okay. Get some of that juice on it. Okay. And I'm gonna let this saute a little more. Like 5 to 6 minutes, and then are ready to serve. All right, guys, let's check and see how hot looking. Ooh, oh, that smells so good. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, this smells so good. So nice and juicy. It's good. Okay. Now I will make my plate and show you the finishing dish. Okay, and here we have our plate. We have our brown stew, salmon steak, mashed potato, corn, and green beans. Yum! Another one of my video. I hope you guys like it because I'm gonna enjoy it. Don't forget to comment down below to let me know what you think of this video and what you want me to do on my next video. Subscribe, like, and click that bell to get that notification. And don't forget to share, and I see you on the next one. Peace.